Hi everyone, my name is Cora Granger and I'm a law clerk here at Perryfield Lawyers. Today I'm joined by Maria Hayes, who is a solicitor in our property team. Here at Perryfield, we understand that the home buying process can be quite a daunting one, especially if you're a first home buyer. We thought that we would break down some of the key steps that are involved in the home buying process so that you can get a better idea of what is involved at each stage. So to begin with, we thought that we would talk you through the pre-contract stage.
Cool. So the pre-contract stage is obviously when you are just starting to look for a property. So the first thing that we recommend you do is speak to a bank or either a broker. As a first-time buyer, it might be a bit more helpful if you go and talk to a broker, just because they can lay out your finances and expenses for you and see whether it's actually feasible to purchase property. They'll also get a feel of what you'll be able to loan from the bank. Also, they'll do all the hard work for you in terms of approaching banks, so you don't have to do it yourself because there's enough to think about as a first home buyer in the pre-contract stage. They'll also be able to see whether you're eligible for a KiwiSaver withdrawal or a Kainga or a home grant, which is up to $5,000 if you're purchasing an existing property, or up to $10,000 if you're purchasing and building a property.
Yeah, so once you've spoken to a bank or a broker and you've got an idea of what your price range is for buying a house, you'll probably then start going to open homes and start looking around at houses within that price range. In this market, it can be a little bit more difficult to do that, which we understand. But yeah, it's likely that that will be happening. So if you have found a house that you quite like and would be interested in putting an offer in, what are the next steps in the process, Maria?
Yeah, so at this stage, once you find a property that you like, we recommend talking through this with the agent. Most agents already have a contract that they've already drafted. We recommend getting this looked at by a lawyer before you sign this to ensure that you're fully informed of what you're signing. So once you've looked at the property, maybe get in touch with the agent, ask whether there's already a sale and purchase agreement, and then find yourself a lawyer. We have so many property lawyers at Perryfield that are experienced with first home buyers, so we'll be able to help you here. At Perryfield, we're able to put in clauses that are very purchaser friendly, especially for first home buyers, which ensure for the best protection for our clients. You also want to take this agreement to the lawyer to give yourself enough time to carry out your due diligence period, as well as give yourself enough time to arrange your finance, bearing in mind that KiwiSaver withdrawals for first home buyers can take up to 10 working days or even 15 working days if you've been overseas in the last few years. So this is why it's beneficial to take an agreement to a lawyer before signing it, so you're fully informed of what you're signing up for. Also, to ensure the best protection in the contract, and lawyers can gauge how long you need for these due diligence and finance periods.
Yeah, exactly. It's a really good idea to talk to a lawyer early on in the process, especially with the market at the moment, because it is quite fast paced with so much demand. The sooner that you can talk to a lawyer and sort of set out your own personal circumstances, and talk through what specific conditions you might need in the contract and how long you're needing, it'll just put you in a better place throughout the house hunting process. And as Maria says, once you've signed an agreement in terms of how long you need for the particular conditions. So if you would like our assistance, we have got a number of different property lawyers here at Perryfield. You can visit our website at www.perryfield.com. And if you go to our people page, there are a number of different property lawyer profiles there. Maria and myself would also be more than happy to assist you.